Don't buy cheap gym equipment because it might last longer than you want it to last and the resale value might be less than you want it to be. All right, what is up guys? Welcome to Barrookie. In today's video, I want to talk about buy cheap, buy twice. And in the home gym, that can be true, but it probably isn't. Hear me out. You're just starting out with minimum budget. You want to have a home gym. You just go on Amazon, buy some cheap stuff, and then you think, hey, if this ever breaks, I'll replace it, boom. And you go from there. I got the inspiration for this video from a video from Coop from Garage Gym Reviews because he was showing an Amazon rack. He dropped a lot of weight on top of it on the safeties and the rack was just fine. And that's the thing. These things here, however cheap they are made to be safe. They have their safety ratings up to a certain amount of weight and the bigger the rack, the bigger that safety, but they still have to make you safe. And that is, especially here in the Western countries where everything is a little bit more regulated, yeah, they have to withstand certain amount of loads. So you can't just expect it to fail. And that's why you just can't go with the mindset, if this ever breaks, I'll just replace it. Because chances are it won't break. And chances are the resale value of that thing, because it's already very cheap, will not be great. So then you have to get rid of it and then you just throw it on the landfill, which is also not ideal. I don't have a lot of these regrets here in the home gym. I just have like 2 of them. And those came from when I just started out with a home gym, at my parents' house, in my room. I had this bench here, boom. This is probably 15 years old. It squeaks, it's not very pleasant to work with, but it just works, right? It's rated up to 190 kilograms, so that means that I can maximally bench 100 kilograms on this. Can you imagine 100 kilograms on a rattling piece of metal? Because there's a rating on it, it has to be designed for this rating. So it probably will last a very long time. Boom. And this was the mindset I had with this bench. If it ever breaks, if it ever fails, I'll buy a new one. But it doesn't break on me. So yeah. That is the regret I want to save from you, because just saving up a little bit more money or making something that is modular where you can buy things and add them in the future will be probably better than just buying a cheap one and hoping to replace it one day, because that day will never come and it will leave you frustrated every single time you are going to train. Another thing that I have is my trusty dip belt. I bought this on Amazon for 20 euros back in the day. This is probably also 15 years old. And I thought if the chain ever breaks, I just buy a new one. If the padding just breaks, I buy a new one. But as you can see, the padding is just fine. The chain is just fine. Everything is just fine. Boom. So buying a new one would be just buying it for the sake of buying it, and it wouldn't have any added value. So for me, it's not justified to buy an extra thing. I want to save you on regret. For example, you want a power rack with plate storage or you want a half rack with plate storage. Well, Rogue has options for just a power rack stand or a stand, and then later on you can expand it with plate storage, or you can add a fancy pull-up bar, or maybe you can make a complete rack out of it. So I'd rather have you do these type of things and evolve over time, but with decent equipment, rather than you buying something flimsy and then just never get rid of it. Same goes with a barbell. A barbell, the chances that a barbell will bend, so basically only it's useless when it bends, is very slim. It only happens now and then, but only in commercial gyms where these barbells are used very, very much. But in a home gym, your barbell will never see that many use as it does in a commercial gym. So yeah, buy something that you will get the joy out of it, and just that will save you so much frustration. Trust me. So that is really my 2 cents. I hope you got something out of it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have in your home gym some regretful items that you want to get rid of, but you just simply can't justify it to yourself because they're still working. So yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you got something out of it, and I guess I'll be seeing you all in the next video. Peace out.